point out, as we've been shouting out, the first 50 shoppers who
I'm going to put you on a treatment plan of the Sweet Escape. Take with food every day, 1 to 4 p.m. Pan out skipper.
Get your weekday dose of CAR. Prescribed right here on 1FM 91.3.
Doctor, can get FC or not?
1FM 91.3.
Hey there, it's Lily from Florida 91.3 and the host of CAR EXPO. In just a bit, I will be sharing more about the car accessories that is here with you.
here with the head of retail, Supe. Nice to see you again. How are you? You are looking good. Never age, like you. Never age. I see you twice a year. So we have got plenty to share. You have got to be all excited about what's going on here at Sanford Tire. So we're starting off here in front of this really beautiful, iconic race car. Falcon Tires, provided by Stanford Tires. And do you Falcon? What about original tires? I think the only danger is that now they make all the
396 pitch.
Falcon Tire on my car, I'm ready to race. Oh no! When it comes to tires, I think we need to stress that you have to buy the right tire. The right tire is the right t-shirt. Of course, as well. So, we got this really great deal. This as a car owner, I gotta make sure I take care of my tires. You know what I mean? But you're saying here, no, with this Roadmaster warranty launched, if within the 6 months that you've installed your tires, for some reason, that tires come out beyond the That's great. So this is a very good to know for, and this comes with 10 levels of tire, and you can so many.
You remember when we were in China? This one, the landing one. Very lucky though.
Oh, I like that kind of flexibility because people are at different stage of their usage. They may not need to replace the rims at the moment, just the tires. So it's nice to know that we have this kind of flexibility because sometimes people think that no choice. And it doesn't have all the prices as well. I do want to share this with you. Like roadside assistance and the wheel alignment, those are all essentials. We will need to do it year on year, a few times a year even. But now you got NTUC vouchers for me. How do you know that's where I shop? How do you know? How did you know that? We're also having a lucky draw. Okay, let's talk a little bit about lucky draw. What kind of prizes do we have? My goodness, the prize pool I think is amazing. Let's tell everyone.
Colleague.
yet another car accessories exhibitor, Auto Bags. And we have a very special guest all the way from Japan who would especially join us this weekend. Nozaka, welcome! So I know that this is your third time here in Singapore, purely for business, because you were celebrating quite a milestone for all of that. I realize this is the 50th anniversary of our bags. They first opened their very first store in Japan. That is such a history, what a milestone. Congratulations! And I'm also learning that all that is stuff, I just took it for granted. Forgive me for that. But really the name itself makes so much sense when it comes to car accessories, right? Auto bags. And it's become very a well-known name itself. But you were telling me that not many people realize that each of the letters in the name Auto Bags actually refers to a key product or a service that Auto Bags has been providing for over 50 years, right? Can you tell us a little bit like what the E stand for example? Oh my goodness, you know what? That is so enlightening, and it really points out to everything and how all-encompassing Auto Bags has been, from car owners providing all that they need when it comes to having their car in the best running condition and more. And for celebrating the 50th anniversary, a lot of special things are planned in this very significant area. So just keep on over to check out this wall of very special commemorated items as part of the Auto Bags 50th anniversary. So over here, very special was created for this anniversary. These products.
So we have a couple of items especially designed for this 50th anniversary with a rainbow theme. So each rainbow color represents our future. We want to expand our services, how we serve to our customers to be more different so that we can meet everyone's needs.
That is very inclusive and very forward-thinking as well. So it's a whole range of really exclusive products created for the anniversary. And I noticed this that you can use because you're definitely going to need the products, I would say. So definitely you will have a need for it. You will be using it. Can I just say thank you on behalf of everyone to Auto Bags for such a great deal. And we do want to point out, as we've been shouting out, the first 50 shoppers who buy $80 worth of car accessories in a single receipt, you get a $10 SPC fuel voucher. The gifts just keep on coming. That's all I can. This is the place to be a customer. So come on over to Auto Bags and check it all out. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. ありがとうございます。
Have a good time in Singapore, okay?
突然间就来一个Captain 的新的 Captain，他就是2026。
2026. How are you doing? Happy Sunday and happy weekend. Coming to you live from the CAR EXPO. This is the biggest car show in Singapore, happening at the Singapore Expo right now, halls 3 and 4. My name is CAR EXPO. Come on out and join us, if you're just taking the family to lunch and then which is in northeastern China. It's listed on the World Heritage List. Beautiful place. And then, of course, pass through Furano with its gorgeous lavender fields. So this is, a place to consider if you're planning your year-end holiday in December. And another place that
DJs scurry around trying to survive in a hostile environment. Among these radio DJs is a particular specimen called the Bro. Each weekday evening before sunset, he turns on his microphone and elicits a unique response.
Just joining us here at the CAR EXPO Day 2, a very exciting October edition. I'm Lavinia from 1FM 91.3 and your host of the CAR EXPO. And let me tell you, why is it exciting? This year in the October edition, we're welcoming a lot of new members to the CAR EXPO family, including the great guys from Imperial Automotive Styling. He's also from Imperial Automotive Styling. Welcome to the CAR EXPO family. It's your first time here as part of CAR EXPO. Welcome.
Thank you. Wei Zhong here.
He's holding mic like a rapper. He's a very, very cool guy. Now this is also the first time that we are having a car rapping company. Talk about the with this really huge, sort of like an enthusiastic number club, I would say, from the United States. And it travels over quite a number of countries, right?
From Saigon to Singapore, we went to Vietnam, Indonesia, Malaysia.
Were you in the car driving it? Oh, you went in the car. Oh, I know. Next year. So this car definitely stood out. Yeah, there you go. So it caught the attention of the president of the Gumball 2000. He's actually signed on the car. And this is we're talking about the business revolution. The president signed it already. How cool is it? And now, where is it sitting here? It is a very beautiful wreck. So you can check out the car on because you also get an idea of workmanship, on the for you by Imperial
Really impressive. Come, you know what? I need to tell to everyone that actually here in the room, so people can come up. You pretty much have every car model in this, and they just have to punch it in. That is nice. So any car model, any car brand, most of it, I'm pretty sure your car will be in here. And with that, you can choose how you want it red. Okay, what if I wanted like the top half one color, like this row, I want it a different color. Right? This one is really great for sort of like, I like how you try and like, make it understandable for me. You said it's kind of like a screen protector. It's kind of like a screen protector, but for your car. And you know what? Your car is going to go quite a lot faster. Just being out there on the road. Rain is shining, whether it's hot, whatever it is on the road. This is definitely going to go well as well. But it will start from $2,388. That is quite a great discount.
Technology, we've moved so far ahead. We're now like, so many brands with electric vehicles in, the fleet. We're talking BMW, BYD, of course, that's some EV company. Some brand new brands.